learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase in mind is so annoying. Well, it's literally so annoying. 就是好烦哦。怎么说呢？
头哪很痛哦。
头哪很痛哦，就是头好痛哦，对不对？
好烦哦。
It actually means I have a headache. It's so annoying. Okay, let's talk about a situation where maybe the husband or the wife's been nagging a lot because of something and you feel a little annoyed. Okay? 我老婆啊，因为我是老公嘛，对不对？我老婆一直念我，好烦哦。My wife's been nagging at me, so annoying.
牙不用，紧黏挨。
牙不用，紧黏挨。
头哪很痛哦。
头哪很痛哦。OK， 头哪很痛，我们刚刚教了 ，that means 好烦 ，so annoying。牙不用 ，that means my wife。OK， 然后一直念我 ，keeps on nagging at me。
紧黏挨。
念就是念嘛，一直念啊哈，念 that means nag basically。OK， 朋友当然要关心一下了，你又做了什么好事？
你又做了什么好事呢？
对啊，
又做嘞，马给好事。
又做嘞，马给好事。OK， 马给好事，你做了什么好事啊？马给好事 ，What kind of things you did？OK，
这时候老公就说，其实因为我最近常常加班。
对了，最近常加班，太晚回家了。I've been putting a lot of overtime and I've been returning home too late。
呀按叫，
呀按叫，
接加班。
接加班。
提呀总不下
提呀总不下，
或者是呀卜接加班。
哦，一个是呀按叫，一个是呀卜嘅。
对，就是最近。
最近 ，OK， so both of those 呀按叫 and 呀卜嘅 means recently 最近，然后接加班就是
接加班就是常常加班。
对，接 that means frequently. I've been putting a lot of overtime, and so I return home too late. 太晚回家了，不卡就是家里嘛，对不对？
提呀赚不下太晚回家了。
好，我们来 review 一下 ，like 老婆怎么说 ，my wife。
不鸟，
不鸟 ，but I don't have a wife, okay? But I'm just saying, wife 老婆不鸟，然后加班
加班
that means overtime work， 然后常常就是接 I like that phrase. That means frequently, often. All right, and it's all about the phrase 好烦哦 ，so annoying。
头哪很痛哦，
头哪很痛哦，早点回家就不会头哪很痛了，好不好？That does today's Practical Hakka。
什么太干？
子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.